Feel better. I love you. Are you seriously texting me from the next room? You have a cold. The doctor, today, you were there. Nope, we're out. But I could make you some?
You know how to make soup from scratch?
Sure. These things go in soup.
Hi, I'm Natasha and I'm a professional chef. You look like you could use a hand. I help people learn the basics all the time.
Oh, I love your blog.
Clearly not enough.
Oh, maybe you can help me. My boyfriend's sick and I told him I would make him homemade soup, but I really only know how to make microwavable mac and cheese, grilled cheese, and mozzarella sticks. A lot of cheese, I'm realizing.
Did you know that 90% of the world's problems could be solved with a good bowl of soup?
Really?
No, but it's freaking delicious. So you've never made a good bowl of soup before?
Does queso count? You don't have to answer that.
Let's mise en place.
Mise en what?
Mise en place. It's just a simple cooking term for getting all of your ingredients out on the countertop, chopped and ready to go. It really sets you up for success in the kitchen.
Makes sense. So onion, carrot, celery, mushroom, beans, and mini rainbows.
Elbow noodles.
Really?
Do you have any stock? We're gonna need a base.
Yes, I actually have vegetable stock.
Perfect, that'll do just fine. You can use chicken stock, beef stock, or if you don't have any stock handy, a lot of people don't, you can use bouillon cubes.
Great, what's next?
Boil everything for 30 minutes.
That's it?
That's it.
That can't be it.
That's it. And don't forget to season with salt, pepper, and a smidge of herbe de Provence.
So that wasn't it.
So the basic soup formula is veggies, beans, pasta, stock, then you boil and season. You can totally try some tried and true recipes or experiment on your own.
Veggies, beans, pasta, stock, boil, and season. That's it?
That's it.
That's it.
Congratulations, Martha Stewart.
Thanks. You know, I've always considered myself more of a Rachel Ray. Soup!
Some basic things are hard to do. They say these skills will come in time, but that's not true. But lucky for you, Jane will help you get through adulting. So we hope we're not insulting you, and really we're not faulting you. We swear you see results if you're consulting with Adulting with Jane.